So just last month, Donald Trump introduced a $500 billion investment into AI for US. And soon after that, China revealed their Deepseek model, which created a huge sell-off in the stock market globally. Now, this is making a lot of people wonder, what does this all mean? Well, what it means is AI is here to stay, and it's not just another tech trend. What we're seeing is a global surge of adoption in AI with businesses and governments racing to stay ahead. In 2025, if you're not already thinking about adopting AI in your business, you're already behind. Hello everyone, I'm Tanvir. Welcome to my channel where I like to create videos about the future of technology, specifically artificial intelligence and business strategies. In today's video, I'd like to talk about this hot topic in town at the moment. How is AI changing the business landscape in 2025 and beyond? Now, before we start, let's stop for a second to understand the evolution of AI. You see, artificial intelligence has been around since 1980s, actually well before, but it was around the 1980s, I think, when it became popular, because that's when deep learning was introduced, which made it possible to do really complex tasks. But that is still considered traditional AI as compared to the modern AI that we know today. And the difference primarily between traditional AI and modern AI is traditional AI was really good at interpreting data as compared to the modern AI, which can actually create original data or content, and not just create, it can execute as well. Now let's fast forward to more recent times. Around 2022, I think, is when OpenAI introduced ChatGPT, and it became a really cool gimmick tool. Very cool, but not practical. In 2023, it became a party trick. People started using it for fun and curiosity. Around 2024, I think, is when businesses started realizing that there's more to AI than ChatGPT, and they started realizing that it can actually be a powerful tool. So here we are in 2025, and if you still think AI is there to answer questions, let me blow your mind. So let me paint this picture for you. So imagine you're running a retail business in 2022 or prior. Inventory management, manual spreadsheets, customer queries, human call center, marketing based on gut feel, no data mostly. Now let's fast forward to 2025 for the same retail business. Inventory can be managed by AI powered tools that can predict your stock levels, so you don't overstock or even understock, just have the right amount of stock. Customer support, AI chat agents that can resolve customer queries 24/7, but hang on, not just resolve customer queries, it can even convert sales while you sleep. Marketing, personalization so precise, it's almost like the AI agent knows about the customer's preferences better than they do. Or let's take a law firm in 2022 or beyond, reviewing customer contracts, legal research, compliance checks. Extremely painful and slow process. Now with the help of AI in 2025, a lot of these tasks can be automated. You can have AI agents who are analyzing customer contracts real time, doing research, who's got access to the local law and can flag risks faster than paralegals. It's like having a team of highly efficient, effective, precise, and tireless team of specialists working for you 24/7. So let's have a look at how industries are actually leveraging AI in 2025 and beyond. For example, in healthcare, artificial intelligence is actually being used to power diagnostics or patient onboarding, or even creating personalized treatment plans. In finance, artificial intelligence is being used to handle loan assessments, customer onboarding, doing fraud checks. This is saving huge amount of time and reducing errors. Within HR, AI is automating the entire recruitment process by vetting resumes, automating the interviews, even helping with onboarding of new employees into the business. And these are just the tip of the iceberg. So what's causing businesses take artificial intelligence so seriously all of a sudden? Well, I've got some numbers in front of me. So companies are reporting up to 40% reduction in operating costs, 20 to 30% increase in customer engagement. And these are just starting numbers. I know the $1 million question, where do I start? How do I bring AI into my business? Don't worry, Here are 3 simple steps to help you get started. First, start with an assessment of the processes within your business. Look for bottlenecks, look for tasks that needs to be repeated over and over, that requires a lot of overhead, where there's a lot of data entry. As you look through the processes within your business, you will start identifying areas that can be leveraged using AI. 2, explore what solutions are out there. There might be out-of-the-box solutions that might be suitable for your business, but more often you'll find that a custom solution might be what you're actually looking for. And 3, this is probably the most important one and can potentially supersede all of the above, which is seek expertise. Find an AI consultant or AI expert who can actually help you navigate through this entire process, so they can help you with doing the assessment within your business and help you identify the right tool set or solution to help implement AI in your business, and even help you with building the solution and getting the return on investment as well. Remember, starting small is okay, so build, test, and then scale. So here is the bottom line. Artificial intelligence is clearly the new gold rush. Businesses who are adopting early will gain an edge, and those who are hesitating will likely struggle to compete. It's simple as that. So folks, don't sleep on this. That's it for today's video. If you found this useful, do stick around. I'll be creating more videos to do a deep dive into more insights on AI, the latest industry use cases, and maybe even I'll build a couple of tutorials to help you get started. Hit the like button, subscribe, turn on those notifications. Until next time, take care and stay ahead.